about to shower and wash my hair. It's about time. It's about time. My head is itchy. Can I have a straight no longer? So I'm gonna wash my hair, and then while the chicken is defrosting, I'll be doing that, and hopefully when I get out it'll be defrosted, or at least close to it, or whatever. I want to make some enchiladas. I've been wanting some enchiladas like for the longest, and I think I want to put some Doritos in it this time. I've tried it like that before and it tastes really good. I'm not going to put a lot in it this time because I'm trying to be somewhat healthy, but I do want some Doritos in there. So yeah, I'm going to be making me some enchiladas, and it's so freaking bomb. Oh my god, I'm so enchiladas. I'm so excited. That's so funny. I can't believe I just said that, but that's funny. Yeah, I'm going to do that, and maybe I could show you guys how I make it or something, but I am hungry and that's what I want. So I'm going to get another glass of wine and go shower. Enjoy my day alone because my fiance is out with his friend. He's enjoying himself. He's about to go eat or whatever, and I'm gonna be eating bomb. I feel so much better. Something bit me right here. I don't know what it was, but it's not cool. Not on the face. Okay. Nah. Washed my hair. I'm just putting my hair in a bun so that I don't have to worry about it when I go to sleep, because there's no use in doing it if I'm going to sleep. But I just needed to wash it. It's about time. I feel like my hair is a little damaged in certain areas from straightening it. I already knew it might be because I straightened it too early. That's why I only straighten it once a year, but it's okay. Hopefully it'll get its curl back. I'll give it a week or so, but my hair gets damaged real easy, unfortunately, when I straighten it. So there's that, but it's okay. The bottom part is too short. It doesn't want to go inside the bun, and I did notice when I was straightening my hair, it was so much harder to do the bottom half because it's so short. Like, I used a brush to brush it and then straighten. I couldn't do that at the bottom. It just wasn't happening. It was impossible with the brush I have, at least. So there's that. It's just gonna have to look like this for bed. But I did put some oil on my scalp. Feels good. I feel so much better. My head doesn't feel itchy. It feels refreshed and tingly because the minty stuff I just used, and now it's hydrated. So I want to go and cook now because I'm starving. I'm not really starving, but I am hungry. I'm gonna go do that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my hair. I'm cooking right now. I already cut the meat and seasoned it. Just threw it on the pan right now. I completely forgot. I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to show you every single step or whatever, but just show you a little bit of something of what I'm doing. I'm listening to music while I am cooking, so I'm not going to talk while I do it. Okay, y'all, so I completely forgot to get more of the tortillas that I normally use, so I'm going to improvise by using something else. I'm still going to use tortillas, but not the ones that I normally use, so it's just a little bit of improvising. Hopefully it still tastes the same. I'm sure it will, but a little slightly different. It shouldn't be too off, but I didn't realize that we didn't have any. I forgot we threw them away because we had them for so long. I'm going to just use what we have and improvise, which is what you gotta do sometimes, you know? So, yeah. Completely forgot to add this. I was supposed to. I forgot. One thing I noticed, since I didn't use the right tortillas, these ones are a little bit more sticky. Yeah. And the other ones that we normally use are hard. So it's not bad. It still tastes good, but that's a little difference. It's just the other one is better suited for this. This one, if we have to like try to cut it through it. But these are meant for burritos, so of course I expect that.
Softer, huh?
Mm-hmm.